In the diagram, O is the center of the cycle ABCDE. So ABCDE is a cycle. And the length of the line BC is equals to the length of the line CD. The length of line BC and the length of line CD are equal as indicated by these two marks. And angle BCD is 108, is also indicated in the drawing. And the question asked is to find the size of the angle CDE. CDE is this angle that the question asked to find the size of this angle. This is what we are interested in. Finally, we are to find the size of this angle CDE. So solution to this, so I'll check this questions on geometry, especially the cycle geometry. We have different varieties of way of approaching it. Whatever theorem that comes to your mind, go ahead and use it. If it is valid, it will lead you to the correct answer. So let me see the angle that I can find now, so that it leads me to get this angle. It leads me to get this angle. This is the only angle given, and I'm targeting to get this angle BCD. So I think let me do some construction, meaning adding extra line. Let me draw a line from B to D. From there I can get a way out. So this is the line I have added. So it's not part of the drawing, it's not part of the original question. I have added it so that I can move. So adding it, this triangle BCD is now isosceles because this side and this are equal. And I have this angle, so I can find this. I can find this angle because this angle will be equals to this, their base angle of isosceles. So angle BDE, BDE, let me get this before this even, BDE. So this angle will be 90 because this is a diameter, because it says O is the center. So this passed through the diameter, through the center of the cycle, so it is a diameter. So which means this will be a semicircle. This will be a semicircle, and angle in a semicircle subtended by diameter is 90 degrees. So that angle BDE will be 90. And this is the reason it's angle in semicircle. So I continue. Now I can get to CDB, that is mean this very angle CDB, which means this. And this angle, like I've said, is base angle of isosceles triangle. This angle and this will be equal, and I have this as the third angle in that triangle. So that angle is simply this plus this equals to 180, but the two are equal. So I'll simply have 180 minus 108 divided by 2. It will give me only this one, and which will be the same as this. And reason is angle in isosceles triangle. So subtracting 108 from 90 and dividing the result by 2 give answer 36. So this very angle is 36 degrees. I think with that I can answer my question. The size of angle CDE, which means this one. So I'll simply add 90 and 36 to answer the question. So the CDE will now be equals to 90 degrees plus 36, and I add in this, I have 126. So the size of the angle CDE will now be 126 degrees. With this, I have answered this very question. So let's see the mark distribution for this question according to the WAEC marking scheme. So the first mark was the bonus 1 mark for getting angle 90 degrees, that is angle BDE, using correct reason, angle is semicircle. The next mark is the method mark for attempting to get angle CDB that is using this theorem. So you have this method mark, and for getting it accurately as 36 degrees, you have another 1 mark, A1 accuracy mark. And for adding, to get angle CDE, adding 90 and 36, you have the method mark. And finally, the angle CDE accurately as 126, you have the A1 mark. So in total, there are 5 marks to this very question according to the marking scheme.